Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, the car is up on jack's end. I was going to mention earlier that I was going to explain what was going on with the car. So I was driving, the diff was starting to make a little bit weird noises. Pulled out the diff. There was a lot of play in the VLSD because these cars over here come with a VLSD factory. So there was a lot of play, and I pulled it apart, and a lot of people were saying that the diffs are really weak because of that. So there was a lot of metal when I pulled out the drain plug. Notice there was a lot of shavings in there, probably that conducted to a lot of the play in the diff. And so I talked to a couple of people, found out I had another diff. Thank you, and big shout out to Tommy from PBM. He had extra diff. So I'm taking the factory S13 diff, but it's welded, and I'm taking the ring gear off my original diff, putting it on the other diff, and then slapping all that back in. But the nuts are bigger in diameter, so we're gonna fix that by drilling out a hole and then put them back in and see how it goes. So stand by and see what's going on. So as you can tell, this is my original VLSD, and this is the OEM S13. So you can see the size difference with the bolt. Very narrow. It's only like a few mils, but compared to this one, a lot thicker on my VLSD. So we had to drill to this size to make it bigger, which the difference is in my hands. So this is about 12 mil diameter size for the VLSD, and then for the factory one, for the factory S13, it is 11. So that mil difference makes a world of a difference. Just trying to get that bolt in there, so I have to drill it out. Go from there, and then and then see what goes on from there, and then we'll put that together, and then we'll slap the diff in and see if everything works. That's the plan, but you know, things change when we get it up there. So yeah, stand by. Let's see what's going on. So as you can see, I'm all done now. I pretty much drilled all the holes, covered that up, so any of the material that I'm drilling pretty much gets out of it, doesn't get in the bearings. Hit it with a little bit of Scotch-Brite to clean up any residue, and then filed any of the burrs down. As you can tell, all clean. So my next plan is to pretty much brake clean it, put the ring gear on, torque it all down, and throw it in the diff, and then see if it works or not. So let's get to it. So the diff is complete. I put it back together, as you can see there. It was definitely difficult. This is my first diff I've ever messed with, and yeah. The thing I'm questioning is that I'm using the stock S13 gears, stock VLSD diff, but I switched to the S13 open diff and changed the ring gear to my VLSD ring gear. But there is definitely, I don't know how freely it's supposed to move. It moves freely, but I do not know if there's supposed to be any resistance, or how should I spin it freely. I need to look into that, but this is where we're going to leave you as of right now. So this is where we're at. As soon as I get back, figuring out how much resistant this is supposed to be, or if this even feels right, I'll get back to you guys. So that's it for today. So make sure you take care of your family, stay on the hustle, and make sure you inspire people to do what they need to do to take care of business. That's it for me. I'll see you guys later on the next one.